Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking with the Mayor. Today we're going to do deep fried pierogies with a side of fried cabbage. Don't judge, it's good stuff. Let's get cooking. Alright y'all, I'm going to start out here. I got my pan here. I'm going to deep fry the pierogies in. I'm going to get some oil put in there. I want a couple inches of it because we're going to deep fry them. So I like them pan fried too, but I also like them deep fried. So alright, there's that pan of oil. We'll get that warm. Sorry about that y'all, battery went dead. Alright, just got a small head of cabbage here. I'm going to chop it up. Alright, that'll be enough for this meal. So I'm going to get my other pan out over here and we'll get this cooking too. Hang on. Alright y'all, got my pan for my cabbage. Put a little bit of water in the bottom of it because I'm going to actually steam it first. Get it steamed up and then we'll throw some butter and stuff in there, a little salt and pepper. We'll fry it. And I'm trying out a new pan. This was donated to me by a viewer, friend of mine, local guy here. Don, thank you, you and your wife. Appreciate it. It's called a Blue Diamond. So, it's got a little diamond there. So, alright. Oil's warming up. Cabbage is starting to cook. Bring y'all back when we get this stuff here a little further along. Alright y'all. Got the oil up to about 350. We're going to cook 3 different kinds of these pierogies today. We're going to do a smoky bacon, original cheddar, and a 3 cheese. So hopefully everything turns out good. So we're going to start out with the smoky bacon ones. Alright, and let them cook until they float and turn nice brown. And we'll check our cabbage here. Oh, cabbage is steaming up nicely. Steaming up nicely. Alright. Alright, I'm going to keep cooking these. We'll bring y'all back when we're got some of this more along the way. Alright y'all, I'm changing methods on how I'm cooking these. These aren't the regular pierogies I usually get. I usually get a different brand. These ones were just totally coming apart and losing all their filling in the deep fry. So I'm going to pan fry them. I switched the cabbage to a smaller pan. We're going to use our big new Blue Diamond pan to pan fry these things. So sorry about the mid cook change up, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. So once we get these suckers going, we'll bring you back. Alright y'all, got our oil warmed up there. So alright, let them cook for a few. We'll flip them over and they'll be delicious. Bring you right back. Alright, y'all, show you what I was talking about here. See, these are the original ones we were deep frying. They just cracked open and lost all their innards out of them. So, yeah, we got 2 of them that are good, but yeah, the rest of them, they all cracked, and when I looked away and then I come back, they were just all that kind of stuff floating there. So I'll know not to get these kind anymore if I want to deep fry them. Alright, y'all, there you got it. Pan fried pierogies, some fried cabbage. Now, y'all can use whatever you want to dip it in, sour cream, ranch. Myself, I like a little creamy Caesar dressing or some sour cream. So, try another bite. Not bad. Some of that fried cabbage. That's real good. I like fried cabbage. Alright. Hope you all like that one. Hope you're going to try it. Today's beverage of the day, strawberry soda. Ba-da-da-dum. Anyways, thanks y'all for watching. Like I said, hope you try this if you haven't already in the past. If you have, hope you like it. Try something new if you haven't. You know, enjoy it. So, if y'all would, please, get real close to that 2,000 subscriber mark. Go down there and ring that bell. Hit the thumbs up. Both of them are absolutely free. Guarantee it. Absolutely free. So, help me get to the 2,000. And don't forget about our Sunday live streams, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Come on in, hang out, chat with us. Chat about all kinds of stuff. The garage stuff, cooking stuff, life stuff, all stuff. Stuff bear, whatever. So, anyways, thank you all for watching again. Really do appreciate it. And another little side note, we hit 250,000 views on the channel. 250,000 times you all have watched my videos. That is humbling to me. Never would have imagined when I started this that I'd get anywhere near that many views. Really do appreciate y'all, and as always, bear appetit.